How are you today?
Hello,
Good
teacher.
morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Great, great. I'm so happy to be with you here again. Now let's begin with this beautiful video.
The giant elephant pow-woo, pow-woo, pow-woos. A tiny mouse squeak, squeak, squeaks. Birds, they chirp, chirp, chirp. Hippos crunch, crunch, crunch. At the zoo, there's so much to see. Lots of animals, come along with me. These are the sounds all around us at the zoo. Look around, see what the animals can do. Big and small, making sounds just for you. Donkeys laugh, hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Monkeys, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Gorillas stomp, boom, boom, boom. See the fish, splash, splash, splash. Lions let out a big roar. Owls, hoot, hoot, hoot. Snakes slither.
Okay, what was the video about?
The video was
was
about
about the animals and their songs.
two animals and the sounds that they make.
The video was about the animals,
Correct,
the
excellent.
zoo animals, and the sounds, what they make.
I think the same. It was like about the animals of the zoo and the sounds that they make.
Which animal did you watch in the video?
Lion,
Monkey, the
Yeah,
fishes, the
yeah,
lion,
There
yeah.
were monkeys, dogs, frogs, bees, kangaroos.
Me. A lion.
Lion.
Se me olvidó el elephant.
Good.
No.
Well, the gorillas, the crocodiles, the
Good.
beasts, etc.
Good, yes. We watched in the video zoo animals. Zoo animals are animals domesticated, care, and is living in the zoo. Zoo animals. Okay, now we are going to read about some zoo animals. Okay, I need volunteers who can read.
Me, teacher.
Me,
Go
teacher.
ahead.
Okay, elephant. Largest living land animal characterized by its long trunk, elongated upper lip and noise, columnar length, and horn head.
And huge head.
hippopotamus. Hippos are large, semi-aquatic mammals with a large barrel-shaped body, short legs, a short tail, and an enormous head.
monkey. Live in trees, grassland, mountain, forest, and on a high plain. A group of monkeys is called a troop.
Okay.
Okay, gorilla. The gorilla is one of the closest living relatives to humans. Live only in tropical forests of equatorial Africa.
Lion is a large mammal of the feline cat family. Lions are adapted for life in grassland and mixed areas with tree and grass.
Giraffe are found only in sub-Saharan Africa and can reach unbelievable heights. Eat hundreds of pounds of leaves each week.
Now you are going to listen and repeat the vocabulary with the name of the animals.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Lion.
Lion.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Now we are going to play. We are going to listen and click the right picture. You are going to listen the name of the animal and click the right picture.
This is a hippo.
A hippo. The third picture. The picture number 3.
This is a lion.
The lion. The first picture.
This is a snake.
A snake. Picture number 3.
This is a crocodile.
Correct.
Picture number 3.
This is a giraffe.
It's a giraffe, the picture number 1.
Correct.
This is an elephant.
Elephant, the first one.
Okay, we are going to continue playing. Now you are going to tell me what animal do you see in the picture. For example, in the second line, there is a lion. The second line, there is a lion. Tell me, what do you see in this picture? What animals do you see?
There is a tiger.
There is a tiger, correct.
There is a shark.
There is a shark.
Me.
Cesar.
In the first line, there is a snake.
There are 2 tigers.
Repeat.
There are 2 tigers.
There are 2 giraffes.
Correct.
Well, in the picture, there are 2 sharks.
Okay.
Okay. There are 2 penguins.
Now you are going to guess the animal. We are going to play guessing the animal. One of you is going to describe your favorite animals, and the others are to try to guess the correct animal. Okay, let's begin. Any volunteers?
So my favorite animal has a mane, can roar, and is the king of the jungle. What animal is
The lion.
correct?
Okay, my favorite animal has 4 legs. It has a hoof and gray. And my favorite animal has a long trunk. What animal is
I think it's an elephant.
correct? Is correct.
And my favorite animal has 4 short legs. He got
Lens.
scales. He got scales. My favorite animal eat meat and it's green. Favorite
It's a crocodile. It's a crocodile, an alligator, I think.
Okay, correct.
Yes,
Good.
that's correct.
Good. Thank you. Now, I want to know, what did we learn today?
Today we learn about the animals and their sounds, and we learn about how we can use there is and there are.
We learn about the animals, specifically about the zoo animals, and the sound, what they make, and we learn about the pronunciation of his names.
Okay. I learned the pronunciation and of some animals and some animals.
Okay, I learned about the zoo animals through interesting songs, and the sounds they make.
Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your participation today. Now for homework, you have to write in your notebook about your favorite animal. If you have an animal in your house, you have to describe, or you describe in your notebook about your favorite animal. Thank you very much for your attention. It was a pleasure to be here with you today. See you next Monday. Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, teacher, you're welcome.
Goodbye, teacher.
Good
Bye.